Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in today's tutorial we are going to discuss one more Power Query function, that is Date.AddWeeks. So let's begin. So we under the home tag we go transform data, and we are inside the Power Query. Here I have a table where I am actually doing this experiment, and so here last time, if you remember, we have done some things here and we have added years. Now this time around what we are going to do is we are going to add some weeks. So I'm going to modify this column itself, and instead of add years, so let's type it again so that you get, so I'll type date dot add weeks. And again, you, as you know, that if in case you enter some time of select and press, Power Query is not so great. So let's do this. Now let's give this year to month, and let's give 1 week, and let's see what is the impact of that. Okay, so you can see like almost 7 days are added here. So this is the date which was 7th, this is became 14, this is 6, this is 13, this is 13, this is 20th, this is 24, this is 31, this is 12, this is 19, this is 10, this is 17. Okay, we can even subtract a year. Sorry, we can even subtract a week. So minus 1 week. If you give negative, it will be week behind. Now what I can do here is, this is you can change the number. Let's do one more stuff is, let's try to see what happens if we want to add some more on top of it. Let's say I want to add a year a week. One way is that 364 plus 7, that's the one way, but I want to add absolute 1 year and then add a week. So I go and choose this add years, and again this time around, see, Power Query has taken it correctly, and I'm going to add 1 year also. Okay, so Power Query is giving some error out here. Let's see, is it allow or not? Let's, so token unexpected pattern. So okay, we actually lost that. That's where I doubt Power Query is not so great when we want to choose something. So add weeks now seems correct. So let's go ahead and do it. So now you see 1 year has been added, 1 week has been added, and then 1 year. So 7th and 14th. So in this manner we can do permutations and combination. You want to add year, month, or quarter. So something which you can go ahead and experiment. So try these things out. Do let us know what else you want to see in this particular series. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you can get notification for the new video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.